Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pedro Sanz, full professor in the Computer Science and Engineering Department at University Jaume I in Castellón, and I'm introducing an Erasmus Mundus Master that is funded by the European Commission. I'm the coordinator, the local coordinator of this master in my University Jaume I in Castellón, Spain, and I'm in charge of a special study track that is underwater intervention missions. So our master, the title is Marine and Maritime, Intelligent Robotics, and it's a full international European master where all classes are given in English. So the title in B2 is the minimum level for follow the classes for students. So this is my contact information, and this is the website, or the official website associated with this master. So why it's interesting, this kind of master that starting now 2 years before, and now I'm in the middle, we are in the middle with this master, and we have ahead 1 year more. So in fact, the intention is that something in marine and maritime robotics was a pending subject for this kind of knowledge area in Europe. And of course, there exists a lot of challenging problems here. And we are looking for new engineering profile able to succeed in the growing needs concerning ocean exploration and exploitation in general from a very broad point of view. So the underlying aim about everything about the new profile of engineers graduating this master is exactly to guarantee a very good skills in this context. That is something that is not normally in the current degrees around the Europe. So initially we have a consortium that is. This consortium is formed by 4 universities, one from France, that is in Tolón, that are the coordinators of this master, another one from Norway, that is NTNU, and the other one from Lisbon in Portugal, IST, Lisboa Técnica Universitat, and Universitat Jaume I here in Spain, in Castellón. So what is the normal procedure in order to implement this kind of master is that all the courses are divided in 2 years. The first one is for everybody running in France, and the other one is a special study track that must be selected in Norway, Portugal, or Castellón for the second year. Okay. So here in Spain, for example, we have the semester 3 and semester 4, and all the semester 4 are devoted to the master thesis. We have a lot of associate partners, companies, and so on, and it's something that is growing, is dynamic, and we have, this is the current implementation of the master. The first year is completely running in France, in Toulon, and the second year, Norway, with the special study track deep sea operation, or Portugal, cooperative robotics, or underwater intervention missions in Castellón in our university. So this is the normal plan for a student here. For example, our first experience with this master happens in the course 22-23 for the first intake, and here we were giving classes to the first 6 students inside of this master in their second year, and during the last semester in our university, all these students were moved to final destination for his master thesis. And here you can see in some color for the institutions of research, and the black color for master thesis devoted or running in companies. So another characteristic of this European Master is that every year some of the partners are in charge of the organization of an annual symposium and a robotics challenge, including some social events, not only academic or scientific sessions. So, and also I would like to comment that an important effort in dissemination is along this master. For example, here you can see an example of one of our students, and this is, for example, the kind of subjects that are available in our university during the third semester: perception and manipulation, multi-robot system, and so on. Each one of these subjects normally are using 4 European credits, and during the fourth semester they are coursing their master thesis. Okay, so at the end, 60 European credits are coursed here in our university for this study track. So for example, this is the annual symposium and robotics challenge. This is the timetable or scheduling that with the complete plan that we organized the last June, because it was organized by us in our Job in the First university. So this year of 23-24, only 4 students were able to stay with us, and now they are in this 4th semester coursing their master thesis. Okay, so for example, here we have an example of master thesis ongoing now. That is Warachik Ketronsky, that is working in a problem devoted to testing prototypes concerning new developments on visual tactile sensor and so on. And also a couple of students are coming because there is a lot of mobility or interchange between the different partners. And in this case, 2 students that are coming from Portugal are doing with us their master thesis. And they are working in different problems of marine robotics, in this case, focus on cooperative robots, because the context is related with the Portugal main study track issues. So only for visualize some previous activities, I would like to show you here one of the workshops that we international workshops organized for us in the flagship conference on robotics that was organized in Madrid, in Spain, for first time. That was something running in 2018. And here you see some of the best well-known researchers in marine robotics, like Osama Khatib, Antonio Pascual, or Sadako Kawamura. So, and also it's important bearing in mind that we have a lot of facilities in our university campus. Like, for example, you can appreciate in the slide where the picture is showing the water tank that we have with 480 liters of capacity. So there is a very big water tank where we can able to control everything, the evolution and the behavior of our algorithms in the vehicles that we are trying there in underwater, in order to make easier the improvements about everything concerning this context area. Also, it is remarkable that we have a lot of research projects of experience, not only in a national level, but also in an European one. Like, for example, the Trident European project that was very important because represent a milestone in our area of interest. And also we have some interesting contracts with institutions with, for example, in this case, you can see a recent contract that we have with the Spanish Navy, and in this specific contract we were able to develop new achievements in robotics for this context. And now we are working on Cooperamos and Optirro, that are a couple of research projects funded in our ministry, Spanish ministry, for these skills. And also we have another one that is funded by European Commission, that is Thinking Azul, inside of a program that are promoting the aquaculture research by using robotics and artificial intelligence and so on. And also another H2020 European project, that is Peacetolero, in a similar context. And this is everything for my side. Thank you very much for your attention.